How to fix can't share on Facebook. So all you have to do is to actually go here to your settings area and then tap on general and go to your iPhone storage. Now the next thing that you want to do is to refresh the application. Now to do that is you have to find the Facebook application there here. And what you want to do next is to offload the application, and for Androids you can just clear cache the application to refresh the application. Now reinstall the application here. Do not worry, it's just even though it says reinstall application, all your data information are still intact there, so you don't have to log in your account again. So it will refresh the Facebook. Now if it still doesn't work, then what you want to do next is to go to your App Store or your Play Store and just search there for Facebook, and make sure that you have the updated version or the latest version of your Facebook. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you can do is to go to your Facebook again, and on the bottom part you will see menu there. Tap on menu and scroll all the way down up until you see help and support. Tap on there and then tap on report a problem, and then here you just have to file a report how you can't share on Facebook. And basically that is how you fix can't share on Facebook. Now that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.